So yeah, it's 10 p.m. right now, and I just actually done back testing. I've been back testing for a couple 2 hours right now. I'm actually about to get into a book. About to start reading actually. This is the book I have. Yeah, actually about to get into reading. Let me show you guys the charts. So here's the charts. Look here. Let me just shift the screen. How do I shift? So yeah, I've been back testing for quite a while now, for quite some time now. It's been a long day. I just came back. I actually came back from the gym as well, and I've hopped onto the charts straight up. As you guys can see, I'm enjoying nice cup of coffee with a nice scone there just to keep me energized while I'm hitting the charts. So yeah, I know it's not gonna be easy. I know it's not an uphill journey. I know there's gonna be bumps, and I know that to become profitable, to make it in this industry, it's one of the hardest industries actually in the world to break into, just because the barrier to entry is so low. And I realized that to make it in this industry, you have to have persistence, you have to dedicate your mind, body and soul to the craft, to the charts. So I know a couple of years from now, I'll look back and yeah, it will be different. Definitely everything will be different. So yeah, this is actually my back testing session. Just thought, let me just share it with you guys, and whoever's on the same journey as me, I just like to say, keep going, keep putting in the work. Our time's gonna come, we're gonna shine, we're gonna meet each other at the top. Keep grinding and stay positive. I'll see you guys in the next video. Yeah, take care.